Feeling overwhelmed and losing track of where your precious time goes? Then let's unlock the secrets of Clockify, the completely free time tracking software designed to boost productivity for individuals and teams alike. Clockify's core feature is its simple and intuitive time tracker. Just name your task, select a project, and hit start to begin tracking your time. When you're done, click stop, and the time is automatically recorded. Beyond basic time tracking, Clockify excels at project management. You can organize your work into projects, break them down into smaller tasks, and assign them to team members. Need insights into how your time is spent? Clockify's robust reporting features generate detailed reports, showing you where your time is going, helping you identify bottlenecks, and make data-driven decisions. For teams, Clockify offers powerful team management tools. Easily add users, set permissions to control access, and monitor team activity to ensure projects stay on track. And to seamlessly integrate with your existing workflow, Clockify integrates with numerous popular project management tools, connecting all your data in one place. So ditch the spreadsheets and manual time tracking, and embrace Clockify to take control of your time, boost productivity, and achieve your goals, all without spending a dime.